Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about layers. Let's get started. Think of layers as transparent sheets of paper stacked on top of each other. The layers section is on the bottom right of the Photoshop layout. Let's go through everything you may need to know. When you drag in a new picture, a new layer is created. You can make layers invisible by clicking on the eye icon. You can also move the layers up and down by clicking on them, holding the mouse click and dragging them up or down. Down here, you have 7 icons. Let me explain what each one of them does. The first icon is the trash icon. It lets you delete the selected layer. The second icon lets you create a new empty layer. By right-clicking on the layer, you can rename it to stay more organized. The third icon lets you group the selected layers into a folder. The fourth icon lets you create new adjustment layers. Some adjustment layers you will use often are the brightness and contrast, exposure, hue and saturation, and black and white. The next icon lets you create a mask. And by holding Option when creating a mask, you can create an inverted mask layer, or on PC holding Alt, which means the layer will appear as you draw on it. And on normal layer masks, the layer will disappear as you erase it. And if you decide that you don't want the mask anymore, you can select the mask and click Disable Layer Mask, or delete it fully. The next icon is the FX button, which I will dedicate multiple videos to in the future. Here you can select effects for your picture, such as drop shadow or auto glow. And the last icon is the link button. It lets you link selected layers. And to unlink them, right-click on the layer and click Unlink Layers. Up here you have blending modes and opacity. Let me show you what blending modes does. Blending modes lets you appear how your layer interacts with the layers underneath. Let me show you. Here you can see what each one of these does to the picture. This is great for blending multiple pictures. I'm going to leave it as soft light. And selecting the opacity of your layer to a lower percentage will make the picture more transparent. And similarly, you have fill, where you can decide how much of the layer you want to be filled out. And lastly, you have locks, where you can decide to lock certain actions on your layers. For example, if I select my layer and I can lock the move options, and now I can't move this layer. If I select it, I can't move it. It automatically grabs another layer. To remove the lock, all you have to do is click on the layer and remove this, and click on the lock you just placed. And for homework, I'm giving you the task to recreate this image that I just did. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.